prime time mix. Hey, who the fuck would've thought I would mix? Brother,
Hatfield. It is opening day. We're lined up over here. We got our buddies. There's Hunter right there.
What's up, man?
Hell yeah, brother. We got Stephanie over here.
Hey.
We got Chase. He's ready to kill a dove. I know he is. I see it in his eyes.
Dove Slayer.
Uh-huh. You see that? I see it in his eyes.
Yeah.
What Ain't up, that right, man? That's Peewee right there. You know, best bud. Andy's way down at the other end of the field. We got a few other people around here.
Scattered around down the hill.
Look at these. We got Mojos.
I think Fisher done killed the first bird.
Fisher did. He killed the first bird. And we're about to kill a bunch more. Of course, when I go to set up this other camera,
Like the little pull thing, you pull it, it tells you what.
got my brother out here now. What up, dude?
What's up?
First dove hunt. This is his first dove hunt ever. So hopefully we can shoot limits, or at least like a decent amount, because I'm supposed to be making dove tonight. And if I come home doveless, it's not gonna be good.
You're gonna be hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna be going hungry if I don't get some doves. More like a mashed potato night if I don't bring no doves home. Another one.
I can guarantee you I look just about like you at about the age of 12.
Boom!
Killed him. Killed him.
Right
Stone cold suckered that guy right out of the tree.
You're gonna beat your limit, and then you're just gonna be sitting around.
You got 12 more left.
Keep on shooting him on the limb like that, you'll have your limit in an hour.
He shot one out of a tree.
He only had one fucking shell in the gun.
He shot it out of the tree. I guess I'll take some extra ones home if I don't get any. It looks like there's a bunch in the other field. I don't know if those are all.
He walked over there.
There, you will get plenty. Don't worry. I haven't got any yet either.
That's right now in his hand.
You better not shoot
Bird
that
behind
one.
you.
Well, good, leave it to the rest of us.
What do you say?
I ain't got no shell.
I ain't got no shell.
Oh, got him. Hit the ground pretty good when they smoked him, bro.
Got him. Yeah, I mean, I think it hit Fisher.
Fisher, why didn't you catch that?
I don't even know if he's over there. I don't think so. I thought he hit right in here. I see feathers.
I thought it was right in front of the bleachers in this bush in between them.
Oh, I see him. Y'all, that took way too long. First one. Josh, you gonna have to kill one now.
Yeah.
They coming in quick, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta be super ready.
It's on the other side. On the other side.
I'm going back over here.
Coming right here.
One ahead.
Ah, he rolled. I know. Folded him.
Folded him.
Folded him.
Dubs! Backfield! Backfield! Lawn chair. All right, double double. I think I shot one's head off.
It's like every time I find a good spot to sit, they don't want to farm.
You gotta stick with it and sit there. You can't play a music. You play a music.
You've been walking back.
You nailed it from the four-wheeler.
Hey! Hey! Yeah!
Get it!
That was sick!
I saw that, Andy.
We got both of them, boy.
That was awesome!
He was rolling whenever he shot it.
He shot that. No,
That crow said, I don't want anything to do with this.
Look, I saw that. I'm
Fuck
leaving.
y'all, I'm out.
On the four-wheeler. That's the shot of the day. That is the shot of the day.
You know why you don't?
Oh my God. Missile.
Good view over our heads, and we got a good view over their heads.
And we just call it out, you know?
Yeah.
Is that a dove coming in right here? Ah! My gun didn't cycle right, but that's okay. Right, two of them coming over. You ready? You got that one. Good job, bro. Woo. I had some old ammunition that I'm about out of. That's why my gun's been acting a little funky. Josh, is that the first dove you've ever killed?
First dove.
Well, second one. But anyways,
Got
heck yeah, this is, dude. I'm so excited right now. That's like turning the whole freaking day around. We both shot one back to back. Come on.
Right over your head, in front of him, Good shot.
Nice, bro. If I had gotten up, I could have gotten that one.
That was awesome.
See him?
Yeah, he's right over here on the other side. That was awesome. I saw him coming straight. I was like, this is too perfect of a shot. So that's what, that was 3 birds in like 5 minutes or so. That's awesome. Keep on coming in. Josh, you ready to get a few more?
Yeah.
Fisher, what up, bro? Get after him, my dude.
Right there. Come this way.
Whoever the last shot was.
That was me then. Right there, Josh. It almost hit you in the head. Oh my gosh.
Dude, but you was pointing right at my head. Look. Over here out in the field, dude.
Right behind that brush pile, right?
Let me go get him.
If you want to, yeah. It should be right behind that brush pile right there.
Yeah, I don't remember where he landed. I think that's where he landed.
That one was coming straight at you, bro. That was crazy. 2 more coming around back. Right there. They're coming straight to us.
Come his way, come his way.
Right there in the middle of the dove field, right there. Somebody kill that dove. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Straight over. See, Josh, it's about to get good, bro.
Oh, they're passing to me. You still moving?
No. He's dead.
He wasn't moving. All I had to do was.
Number 3, maybe number 4. I might have hit another one that went down over on the other side of the field. Thanks for helping me look for that, brother. Say that again, Andy.
It's fishing to get western this afternoon.
What we've seen in here, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. You know what I mean?
Wait till about 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Yep. It's going to get crazy. It is going to get crazy.
It's the wild, wild west.
3 coming! Look at all these. Right here.
How did he not get smoked? Damn.
I couldn't get on that motherfucker for nothing.
He was going diving.
Because I hit him.
He wanted to
He looked like he was smoked and then he turned away.
He's right there.
Did I hit that?
Oh my God, right there too.
Shells I got to pick up.
Ah, it's a hard shot over here, man. You're freaking killing it, man. Almost shot a pocket full of shells.
Come right over the trees.
Oh my gosh. Right here. Josh. I killed him.
Oh, almost got him. Hell yeah.
I almost had it. Good shot, Joe. What up, Rob? Good shot. Oh my gosh. Wow. Ah! Oh, that would have been so sweet. I almost caught that other one, Josh. Huh? Oh, I killed it. I almost caught it.